So this is LA tonight. LA is over there. And over here we have, over the mountains, thunderstorms. Way off in the distance. Have to focus a little better. There we go. You gotta love these phones. There you go. You see those flashes? We got thunderstorms. Not we. Somebody way off in the mountains. But over here we have downtown LA, as you can see. And over here we have the clouds, and they're really firing off thunderstorms. So we have the beautiful clear skies. I'm even sitting underneath an umbrella. And look at that. Look, gotta love California. Gotta love LA, man. Very rare sight to see thunderstorms going off like that. So close to a clear sky. A smog-y sky. Yeah. Have a good Saturday night, everybody. This looks like it's going to be a fun night. The universe is giving me a great feeling. And you all should have a great feeling too. Love you all.